Welcome to the how-to yoga tips. Today I'll be honest with you. I come to this mat really raw because I'm authentic in the moment, no expectations, and just being the real me. I've talked about a few things in the how-tos before. Now this how-to practice is how to really choose to give yourself what it is that you need. Blankets, bolster, strap, blocks. You do need to have your props. You do. You really do. Especially if you're a person that needs to really hone in into what it is that you really feel you need support in. Giving yourself the support that you need on the mat is essential. It's showing yourself that you care. It's showing yourself that you really want to succeed. It's showing yourself that you love yourself. So today, a quick tip. Make sure when you join a yoga studio that they have the blankets, the bolsters, the blocks, the straps. Make sure when you have your yoga studio set up in your studio space that you do have all of these props. And make sure you have a regular practice, whether it be 5 to 45 minutes to an hour and a half daily. Some of us don't have that affordability. Any time of the day is a good time that you can set yourself up for a routine. Do it. Whether it be, something online, theresagagno.com, yoga at the click of the button. Literally, I have 15-minute yoga meditation practices, 20-minute core and breath, and restorative, and a 45-minute practice. But you do need all of these props to make it successful. So my yoga tip for today is no expectations when you do go into a class, but yet do have your props. And when you practice and say you click onto, say, theresagagno.com and you do the latest, most updated video, make sure you're going into that practice with no expectations, because our ego will get involved and say, oh, I don't like this. I don't like what she's doing. I don't like that. Instead, no expectations. Use your props and give yourself permission to even stop and take a break, especially if you feel like you're not breathing and you're just hurting yourself and you're pushing to keep up with the other people. Yoga is a inward practice. It's a practice for the self. It's not a practice for anyone around you, for you to look at them and see what they're doing. It's a practice for you to be vulnerable, to be real, and to be so optimal in your being that you can't not succeed. You will succeed. Okay, so there's my health tip for today, my yoga how-to tip. Get your props. Make sure they're always there on your mat. Whether you need them or not at the end, at least you had that opportunity and you set yourself up for success already. So I'll see you in the next episodes. Please share this with your friends. Let them know that I am here, and you can always email me at theresagagno.com, info@theresagagno.com. Namaste, everybody. I am the other you. You're not alone.